Hola.
Hola.
Muy buenas a todos, un vídeo más de nuestro canal y hoy vamos a hacer un turismo diferente. Para ello vamos hacia Penelles, una pequeña localidad en la comarca de La Noguera, en la provincia de Lleida. Pues ya estamos aquí en Penelles. Este pueblo es la cuna del street art y cuenta con más de 100 murales repartidos por todo el pueblo.
Vamos a dar una vuelta a descubrirlos.
Vamos, vamos. Este pequeño pueblo se preguntó un día cómo conseguir atraer a gente para que visitara este lugar, ya que cuenta con tan solo 500 habitantes. En 2016 se les ocurrió crear el Gargar Festival, invitando a los mejores grafiteros nacionales e internacionales a que decoraran las paredes del pueblo. Fue tanto el éxito que ya se llevan 6 ediciones. Ahora en 2022 se están preparando para la 7ª. Nuestro primer paso será acudir a la oficina de turismo. En ella, por tan solo €1 obtendremos un mapa de la zona, el que nos servirá de guía para conocer todas las obras.
Just work a 9 to 5, building up these stacks. I'll be working on the block, building up these racks. I'll be working for the fam, here's a couple stacks. This is for $1 in a dream, I got your back. Till I'm drip down in stacks, drip down in stacks, drip down in stacks. Time to make some money, man. Drip down in stacks, drip down in stacks, drip down in stacks. Back it up now. We live in a dream of building stacks, live in a dream of giving back, live in a dream of having that, having that. That's right. We live in a dream of building stacks, live in a dream of giving back, live in a dream of having that. Back it up now. We live for the hype. We live in a world where the money means more than life, more than the rent we spent on ice, losing it all with an oversight. It's time to stack them chips, invest that money and make it flip. We need to save for the future, man. Wisdom is shit turn to sense. Where the money go? Where the money flow? It go from the kids to a car to a house, but they count that money in slow-mo. In a minute to a month to a year, that fear might grow. Think about that when you're blowing that dough. Think about the ones who's losing you when you're robbing still when the bills are due. Whoa, stacks, you might call them racks. We just making money, put our problems to the back. Like, whoa, stacks, you might call them racks. We just making money, put our problems to the back. Back it up now. I just work a 9 to 5, building up these stacks. I'll be working on the block, building up these racks. I'll be working for the fam, here's a couple stacks. This is for $1 in a dream, I got your back. Till I'm drip down in stacks, drip down in stacks, drip down in stacks. Time to make some money, man. Drip down in stacks, drip down in stacks, drip down in stacks. Look how the money can change you, make good hearts ungrateful, turn good guys unfaithful, turn one love so spiteful. Look how the money can be cold, no cash flow for them broke souls, no helping hand with them stacks low, and that debt term like death row. Where the money at? Where the money pack? It go to a bank, to a stock, to a lock and safe.
Bueno, pues después de unas horitas recorriéndonos todo el pueblo, ya toca marcharnos y hemos visto todos los murales aquí a través del planito. ¿Cuál es el que más te ha gustado para ti?
Uno que se llamaba SAP 45, creo, de un artista ruso, o rusa, no sé. Y era una mujer con unas hojas, muy chulo.
Y a mí me ha gustado el de la serpiente, el Escafanadis. Pues nada, así que toca marchar y hasta la próxima. Nos veremos, no olvidéis de darle a like, suscribiros y seguirnos por nuestras redes.
Adiós.
Drip down in stacks, drip down in stacks, drip down in stacks. Time to make some